again.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar. In case of you visiting my channel for the first time, or in case if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do hit the subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. So yes, today's video is all about this easy glam makeup look. So yes, even if you're a newbie with makeup, you can totally pull off this makeup look, and you can literally do this makeup look just like as easy as ABC. So yeah, in case if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching the video. So for the eyeshadow today, I'm taking this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm taking this light brown color and I'm applying that on my crease with a fluffy blending brush. So that is like a very light wash of a brown color, guys. So I just love to apply like a very light color on my eyelids first, like in the crease first. So that kind of defines the crease, and then after the lighter color, I love to go with the darker color. So now I'm taking this darker brown color and I'm applying that on the outer V, and also taking that into the crease as well. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of intensifying my crease with a darker shadow now, and I'm also giving a definition to the outer V area as well. And I'm just using the same blending brush that I've used before. So yeah, so that's from Sigma. And now I'm applying my concealer on my eyelid area with a lip brush. Like, you can use any flat brush, as I already told you. And I'm just doing a slight cut crease kind of look there, not an intense cut crease. It's just it just acts as a base for the next shimmer shadow that we're gonna apply. Now I'm taking this goldish shimmer color from the same palette, and I've sprayed a MAC Fix Plus on that brush, and I'm applying that on the area where I've applied the concealer. So as already told you guys, these shadows work best with fingers, or in case if you want to work with brushes, you just have to use some Fix Plus on that. So I used a Fix Plus on the brush. So yeah, and I'm just applying that on the eyelid area. I don't want something too glittery over there because I'm gonna go bold with the lip. I just want that hint of gold toned on the lid area. So as I just want a little more extra coverage, like a little more pigmentation there, sorry, a little more color payoff there, I just went with a other layer of the same shadow. And yeah, now I'm applying the illuminator, the liquid illuminator on my high points. It kind of gives a good dewiness to the look. So you can use any liquid illuminator drops that you have for this step, guys, or you can use any cream highlighter if you just have one. So yeah, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect foundation come concealer. It's a very medium to full coverage foundation, which is oil free. The best part about this foundation is that it's not entirely matte formula, like it's not a drying matte formula. And it just works great even if you have dry skin. I have dry skin and it works super good. And I'm blending that out with the damp beauty sponge, guys. So yeah, I just dotted the foundation on my skin and I'm blending that out with the damp beauty sponge now. I actually love the coverage of this foundation, guys. I literally just went with 2 to 3 pumps of that, and it just gave pretty much good coverage with just like 3 pumps. And now for the concealer, I'm going with the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I have also done a review of this concealer, guys. I will be linking that in the description box below if you just want to check that out. And I'm applying that on all my high point areas where I just have to highlight with a concealer, and I'm blending that out with a beauty blender. I just love this part of concealing with a highlighter, guys. I'm a huge fan of concealing with highlighter. I just love the difference that it brings out in the makeup look. And when you're just picking up this part of concealer, don't go with a very light fair toned color. Yeah, and I'm applying the liquid illuminator drops, the Iconic London, on the high points again, just like a drop everywhere. Okay, that's me dancing for a song over there in the background. So yeah, I just love to play music when I'm just doing my video, so it kind of brings that josh, you know. So I'm just blending that out with the damp beauty sponge again. So yeah, I just love layering the highlighters. I just love layering the products. And now for the powder part, I took the Kryolan loose powder and I'm just applying that on the areas where I've
applied concealer. I'm not doing anything kind of crazy baking or something. I'm just setting the concealer in place. So I'm just setting the cream product in place with a powder. I'm not a huge fan of baking, guys. So yeah, for the bronzer, I took the Huda Benefit Bronzer, which is my favorite, with the Urban Decay eyeshadow brush. So that brush comes with a Naked Heat palette. I've been using that from more than like literally nearly 2 years, more than 1.5 years easily, and it works super good for contour, for eyeshadow. And yeah, for the cheek contour, I took that brush which comes with the bronzer itself. That's a very cute brush, and it gives that precise, sharp contour. And I'm just applying that on the hollows of my cheeks with that fish face. Yeah, and I'm also going to bronze all the areas where I just have to apply. And yeah, and now for the blush, I took the Milani Baked Blusher. I'll be leaving all the shade details in the description box below. And I'm just sweeping the product in the pan and removing off the excess at the back of my hand. And I'm applying that on the apples of my cheeks. So yeah, I just want a mirror. I love this Anastasia mirror. I just feel it's like so convenient. And I'm applying that on the apples of my cheeks. For the highlighter today, I took the Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter. I'm just sweeping the product with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm applying that on all my high points, guys. So yeah, again, I'm going back with the mirror. So I'm just always closing it, and I'm like opening that, like, oh, I'm a crazy person. And can you just see that glow over there, guys? I love this highlighter like so much. I mean, like, this is my favorite drugstore highlighter now. And can you just see that pop of highlighter there? I am a crazy fan of this one. And yeah, I'm just applying that on the nose, tip of my nose. I don't love to apply on the whole bridge of the nose. I just love to apply that only on the tip of the nose. And you're also on the cupid's bow and a little bit on the chin area as well. And I'm just taking the same highlighter and I'm applying that under my brow bone as well to get that, you know, a tint of highlighted kind of effect there. You can use you know, any highlighter or even something from the eyeshadow palette as well. Now I'm taking this darker brown color which I've applied on the crease, and I'm applying that on the lower lash line area. So now what I'm doing is I'm just taking another pale eyeshadow color, like the lightest brown color that I've applied on the crease area first, and I'm applying that below the darker brown color. So it kind of gives a transition look there. Now I'm taking the same Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter with an eyeliner brush. That's actually an eyeliner brush from Sigma. So I got that as a complimentary when I bought like few brushes. It's just like a free complimentary gift. And I'm applying that on the inner corner of my eyes. Also just slightly taking that in the lower lash line area, not entirely, just in the inner part. And for the mascara, I took the Milk Makeup mascara and I'm coating my top and bottom lashes with that. So for the lipstick, I took the KYLIE lipstick. I think the shade is called The Boss. It's a new launch and I'm freaking loving it with this shade. So firstly, I'm lining my lips with the lip pencil and I'm just applying liquid lipstick on top of it. And for the lashes, I'm applying the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes to get that glam to the look.
So yes guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this look. In case if you do so, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do hit the subscribe button. That means so much to me. And also do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Keerthi Kumar Makeup. And yes, in case if you have any video topic suggestions, or in case if you have like any makeup or like beauty related questions, please put them in my comment section below, guys. I would love to answer them for you guys. So yes guys, that's all for this video. I will be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.